Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fun and delightful kitchen tool that will surely make lunchtime an adventure for your little ones. Introducing the NPE T5PC Sandwich Cutter and Sealer for Kids, featuring an adorable cat paw design. If you're looking for a way to add a sprinkle of joy to your child's meals, this is the perfect solution. These sandwich cutters are not only practical but also designed with your kids in mind. The unique cat paw shapes will instantly make any meal more appealing. Imagine your child's delight when they open their lunchbox to find a sandwich shaped like a cute kitty paw. It's a great way to encourage even the pickiest eaters to enjoy their meals. Using these cutters is a breeze. Simply place the cutter over a slice of bread, press down, and voila! You have a perfectly shaped sandwich. The sealer feature ensures that all those delicious fillings, whether it's peanut butter and jelly, cheese, or ham, stay securely tucked inside. No more messy lunches to clean up. These cutters aren't just for sandwiches, either. Get creative. You can use them for pancakes, cookie dough, and even fudge cakes. The possibilities are endless. With 5 different designs included in this set, you can keep lunch exciting every day of the week. Now let's talk about quality. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free material, these sandwich cutters are durable and safe for everyday use. Each cutter measures approximately 3 by 4 by 1.2 inches, making them the perfect size for small hands. Plus, they're easy to clean. You can simply rinse them under water or toss them in the dishwasher. What I love most about these sandwich cutters is how they transform meal prep into a fun family activity. Get your kids involved. Let them choose their favorite shapes and fillings, and watch their excitement grow as they create their own lunchtime masterpieces. This not only makes mealtime more enjoyable but also fosters creativity and helps develop fine motor skills. In summary, the NPE Sandwich Cutter and Sealer for Kids is a fantastic kitchen tool that combines fun with functionality. It's perfect for parents who want to make lunch exciting and nutritious for their kids. With its playful designs, high-quality materials, and easy cleaning, it's truly a must-have for every household. So, if you're ready to take your kids' lunches to the next level, check out the NPE Sandwich Cutter and Sealer. You won't regret it. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a fun and informative review. Happy lunch making, and we'll see you next time.